This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 200MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, leveling jacks, air conditioning, water heater, LP detector, spare tire kit, awning, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 200MK is 5,397 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.